Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to create a new Gmail account. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. Go to www.gmail.com. Step 2. Click on Create Account. You'll see this option below the sign-in box. Click on that and then choose For Myself. Step 3. Enter your personal information. Type your first name and last name. Then choose a username. This will be your new Gmail address. Example, yourname123@gmail.com. If the username is already taken, try a different one. Step 4. Create a strong password. Enter a password and confirm it. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes letters, numbers, or symbols. Then click Next. Step 5. Add recovery information. Optional but recommended. Enter your phone number and recovery email to keep your account secure. Also, enter your date of birth and gender, then click Next. Step 6. Verify your phone number. Google will send a text message with a verification code. Enter the code to verify your number and click Verify. Step 7. Agree to the terms. Read Google's privacy and terms, scroll down and click on I agree. Congratulations, your new Gmail account is ready to use. You can now send and receive emails from your inbox.